Hello, good morning, children. Today I will say you about sentence and kinds of sentences. So, first, when we speak or write, we use words. ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. We generally use these words in groups as little Jack corner sat in a corner. ಇದನ್ನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಥರ words when they group it and we make complete sense, it gives complete sense and meaning, then we call it as a sentence. Kinds of sentences. So in sentences there are 4 kinds. Sentences 4 ವಿಧ ಇದೆ. First one, those which make statements or assertions or as Humpty sat on a wall. The statement ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ anything it says about something, then we call it as declarative sentence. So for example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Like this we can all simple sentences and they always end in full stop. So next, simple sentences which are ending with full stop is called as declarative sentence. Second one, those which ask questions as where do you live. See, for example, question asking statements. See here, where do you live? It is asking question. This is interrogative sentence. It ends with question mark. So those sentences ends with always question mark. We call it as interrogative sentence. Third one, those which express commands, requests or entreaties. So that means it gives commands or it requests, be quiet. This is a command. Have mercy upon us. So this is a request. Like this, which expresses commands and requests. Commands, requests, and express model sentences. We call it as imperative sentence. Next, have mercy. Next, fourth one, those which express strong feelings. For example, how cold the night is. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಳಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ we are telling the feeling. What a shame, ಎಂಥ shame, that is also we are shame ಒಂದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು those sentences they end always with question mark, exclamatory mark. So those questions which give strong feelings and ends with exclamatory mark, they are called exclamatory sentence. So now you understood everything. See, now I will once again say revise ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative sentence. You understood? Which makes a statement. Second one, statement that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Second, which asks a question. So when you ask question, it always ends with a question mark only. That third one, a sentence that expresses a command or entreaty is called an imperative. So which gives command, which gives request also, advice also, and blessing also, we call it as imperative sentence. A sentence which expresses strong feeling, and this imperative sentence also ends with full stop. The sentence which expresses strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence. Strong feeling, sudden feeling, happiness, sorrow, anything, excitement or surprise, they all end with a exclamatory mark. So this is called exclamatory sentence. This is about the kinds of sentences. So after you have learned and heard about, as you have viewed and heard listened to this video, now you have to make assessment. That is, you make the project work. In that project work, you write what is a sentence and what are the kinds of sentence and give examples for the different kinds of sentence. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸು, ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನು ಅದರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥನ್, ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಟು me. Okay, like thank you children, thank you.